What are we doing?
We're going to Rome.
Oh, take me to Rome.
Welcome to Rome.
Oh, we're here.
We're here. Welcome to Rome.
Where are we going?
We're going to a place that was recommended to us called Cul-de-sac. Gonna get a little bit of food. Welcome to Rome.
We did it. Are we going to cry? Are we gonna die?
Nope.
Okay,
We're going
where are you taking me?
to a Vespa.
I love a Vespa.
We have been traveling all day from Puglia, and we just got off the train a little bit ago, took a bus, checked into our hotel, and now we are walking to dinner because we're starving. We've been doing the train for like 6-7 hours.
Just been doing all of the things.
Now we're just walking into Piazza Navona.
Very busy. Okay, so the first place we went to, we got something very small, and then we left.
Yes, it was our aperitivo.
So now we're trying this place. Is your red wine better than last time?
Yeah, definitely. Very smooth, delicate, light, quaint. Not overpowering at all, a very easy drink.
What did you order?
To eat?
Yeah.
Spaghetti alla carbonara.
Why?
The customary dish of Rome, of course.
My goodness, are we learning?
Well, when you
Is this the learning channel?
This is the learning channel, and the travel channel, and the history channel, and the gay channel.
Wait,
In a
you're
row.
gay?
You have to get the spaghetti alla carbonara because it is everything here. But don't get it outside of Rome.
Oh, that's fair.
Yeah. Cacio e pepe too. I think it's a good one here. Someone got a salad.
Wow, thank you. Wow, this is a piccolo, this is a small. What did you get?
Dark chocolate and pistachio.
And I got dark chocolate and tiramisu with crema.
Dark chocolate just melts in your mouth. It's like icing.
Oh my god. Insanity.
Hello?
Okay, where are you taking me to my Lizzie McGuire breakfast? Where's my Lizzie McGuire breakfast?
What is a Lizzie McGuire breakfast?
I don't know. You tell me.
I'm not the one asking for it.
Do I eat like a croissant while I'm like sitting on a Vespa?
I don't know. We don't have a Vespa. Don't sit on someone else's Vespa. Like,
I'm mad. Okay, let's go get breakfast. Welcome to the famous Trevi Fountain. They just collecting them coins.
what a dream.
What a dream.
What a dream.
This is
What
what
a
dreams are made of. Hey now, hey now.
This is what dreams are made of.
Are you trying to get us lost? What are you doing?
Why are you blaming me? This is ridiculous. I will not have it right now.
Thank you for my Lizzie McGuire McDonald's.
I am doing my best. And you are not helping.
Could be better.
I am going to Roman punish you.
Oh, hey. Okay, daddy.
Autre toast, je peux vous le rendre, Seigneur, Seigneur, car avec les soldats.
So the thing about doing Rome in one day is that you don't have a lot of time to do a lot of things. So we just ran from the Trevi Fountain to the Colosseum. We're
From the Pantheon.
From the Pantheon, and we're also looking over the Roman Forum. This area is just like a really busy road. And, well, not super busy right now because they're actually doing construction down there and most of the road's blocked off. Busy in the sense that there's a lot of people going to and from the Colosseum, to and from the Roman Forum, and to and from the historic city center down there. Right now we're just
a lot going on.
We're waiting for a bus. We're gonna take the bus to our hotel, well, close to our hotel, walk to our hotel, get changed, and then go to the Vatican. Maybe find lunch around there, grab and go.
Yeah,
A grab and go, that's a novel idea, isn't it?
Grab and go. Not sit down for 3 hours.
Oh, are we not gonna do that today?
I guess not. I also don't know if we're gonna catch this bus.
that doesn't seem to come.
Is it already supposed to be here? Or
Yes.
ah, well dang. Here's a 51.
I know, but I don't know where that goes.
That's not the right one. You don't think it's coming?
Oh, it says that we can walk to the 51.
Oh.
Which will take us like 2 stops and then we can walk more.
Or we can just walk the whole way, because
We walk the whole way here.
we walk the whole way here.
Yeah, it said that. Huh. Okay.
This bus doesn't exist anymore. Oh, thanks, Rome. When in Rome, do what the Romans do and walk, or find a chariot. But the craziest thing about Rome is that you can see 3,000 years of history in like 300 meters. So anywhere you go, you're stepping on ancient territory, ancient grounds, just ruins everywhere. So if you're not in Rome for very long, there are 5 things that you have to see. There are 5 things that you must see when you were here. It's like if you have no time. Of course, there's a million other things to see in the city, but if you have no time at all, you need to make sure you see these things before you go. In South Africa, they have the Big 5. That's the 5 animals that you have to see when you go on safari. In Rome, you have the Big 5 monuments you have to see when you're in the city. So the 5 things that we're literally running to from place to place today are the Trevi Fountain, Spanish Steps, the Colosseum, the Vatican, and the Pantheon. Pizza. Do you get some yummies?
That.
Is it good?
It's so good. Crunchy and flaky. Why don't we have these in the US?
Little hole-in-the-wall pizza places
Just like a walk by.
are delicious. I think the best part is it's on focaccia bread.
This one isn't, yours was.
Oh, mine was. You're right. That one's not. That one's on like a regular
I mean,
pizza.
New York has these.
Right.
It's not the same.
Not the same.
No.
Destroyed.
Demolished.
Let's go to the Vatican. All right, Michael, we're on our way to the Vatican.
Look at us.
Gonna make it. And there it is. It is right there. This is right across the river from basically like the main city center of Rome. Any thoughts, Michael?
Oh, I don't know. It's very grand. It's kind of like what I expected in like immensity.
Once you cross the river, you just have this like long walk along this very grand street full of people. And then you go through like some security check-in at the front in order to get into Vatican City.
Matthew's been to the Vatican 3 times. This was my first time. I got something for my mom. And now we're going to the Spanish Steps.
We have
it was great.
a 31-minute walk ahead of us to the Spanish Steps, but we might take the metro. The line was a bit long to get in, but manageable. We have a few hours until sunset, so I just feel like we have to kind of book it in order to get to the Spanish Steps, spend a little bit of time there, and then the Trevi Fountain and spend a little bit of time there before the sun goes down.
Nobody said you had to.
Nobody said you had to go to the Vatican either.
I know, I wanted to.
I did too. And now we're going to the Spanish Steps. I mean, what were your thoughts on the Basilica? Like, what did you think of it?
Gorgeous. It was really, really, really beautiful inside. I was saying that I don't always love going to like just random churches in random towns. I mean, obviously like Notre Dame, La Sagrada Familia, those are like big ones, but like other ones that I don't know anything about. But I think it's interesting to go to like the one of like the place.
Yeah, just everywhere you look, it is quite beautiful.
Yay, we made it to the Spanish Steps. Why are they called the Spanish Steps?
Because if you stop on them or try to sit down, then the police will yell at you.
Are you kidding?
I'm not kidding.
Really?
Yeah.
That's why nobody's on them. They're all walking.
They're all walking or stopping for a quick photo, but no idling.
That's
Steps are for walking people.
Wow. Oh my
Just
gosh, I see
get
the police right there.
Oh yeah, they're everywhere.
Okay, but why are they called the Spanish Steps?
I have no idea.
Great. You've been to Rome how many times?
3.
Perfect.
I don't know,
Michael. I have a headache. I think I'm dehydrated, and literally all we have is holy water to drink.
You can't have it.
Well, I need to drink something
can't
because
have it.
I am thirsty.
Sorry.
I am thirsty.
Should have planned better.
Won't I like absorb all the blessings from the Vatican if I drink the holy water on the Spanish steps?
No, sorry.
This is very sad. Oh, wait.
You love the Trevi Fountain?
We love the
You love
Trevi
it?
Fountain.
It's so good. It's so spacious. Best airport experience ever. How you doing?
I'm just sitting in the lounge of the airline that we're taking to the US while trash talking said airline.
We had a little trouble.
Oh my god. The cell phone application doesn't even tell you what terminal you're in. So you can't even, like, there is no way to figure out what terminal you're supposed to go to.
As a new time traveler to this airport.
To this airport. Like, the taxi driver didn't even know what, like, he was like, I don't know where that airline flies out of. Yeah,
Crazy.
I don't either.
Well, we're going home. Love you.
Love you.
That's all for now.
This is not the end of the video.
This is not the end of the video.
Can't be. It's so sad.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Can't end it yet.
Nazionale 4 Fontane.
Oh, fun. How you doing?
Good.
Great.
Great.